Hello everyone, Jabua Nanayao here, and this is Yeb's Line on Jenny's Tech World. Today, we are going to look at a beginner's tutorial on Microsoft Excel. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you the basic layout of your Microsoft Excel workbook. Stick and stay with me because this tutorial is packed with exceptional Microsoft Excel tips. And all you need to do is to subscribe to this channel by smashing the bell notification icon to be notified anytime a video is posted. Share this video with your friends as well. Stick and stay with me. This is Yeb's Line. So this is my Windows 11 desktop screen, and I am supposed to launch my Microsoft Excel application. Now my application is already pinned to my taskbar, so I'll just click and it opens. Now when the application opens, this is the first interface you meet the moment you launch the application. Now with this side, which is the recent, it houses the previously worked on worksheets. You can see I've worked on indigent overall, so this is where it is. Now also this side houses powerful templates you can make a choice from and work with. And this side is also where you can check or search for online templates you want to work with. Since we are beginners, it will be laudable we start to work with a blank workbook. So let's quickly launch our blank workbook. Now this is the interface of our blank workbook. This is how our blank workbook looks like. So over here, this is the close button. With this button, it aids you to exit or close your Microsoft application. We can just look at how it works. So this is it, the close button. I just click on it and my application is closed or exited. This is how it works. The next thing we want to look at is the maximize or restore button. Now most people confuse themselves when it comes to how this maximize or restore button works. With the maximize button, it increases the size of the window to cover the whole desktop screen, whereas with the restore button, it reduces the size of the window to its previous size. Now we can see that the restore button icon is being displayed in place of the maximize button. This is because the maximize button has already been used. That is why the restore button is being displayed in place of the maximize button. This means that when the restore button is used and the size of the window is reduced, the maximize button would display once again. That is how the restore and maximize button works. Now that we know how the window maximize button works, let's look at the window minimize button. With the window minimize button, it reduces the window to the task bar. When clicked on, it reduces the window to the task bar. Let's now look at how it works. So you just select the minimize button and voila, your window is reduced to the task bar. This is how it works. Now let us reopen it again. So let's move on to the next button, the ribbon display option. So the ribbon display option is a drop down control that offers three options, that is the auto hide ribbon, the show tabs, and the show tabs and command. It offers these three options which are related to displaying your ribbon. So with the auto hide ribbon, it zooms the worksheet into a full screen mode. It just zooms the worksheet into a full screen mode, which we can look at it. So when we want to get it back, we just click on it and get it back once again. That is how it works with the auto hide ribbon. With the show tabs, it only shows the ribbon tabs. Shows only the ribbon tabs. So this is how that one too works. So you can see that the ribbon tabs are showing, but the ribbons ain't showing. So what you do is that you just want to make use of a ribbon, you just click on the ribbon tab, and voila, you have your ribbon showing. And let's look at the last one, which is the show tabs and commands. The show tab and command is a default setting for the ribbon in every Microsoft Excel workbook you lay your hands on. Yes, this is the default setting. Now with this one, you can see your tabs and you can see your ribbons. Yes, it's the default setting. Now let's look at the next feature, which is the title bar. Now the title bar bears the name of your workbook. Yes, it bears the name. So you can see the name of this workbook is what? Book 1. Book 1. Yes, that is the name of the workbook. Now let us quickly look at the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar. So with this toolbar, it contains commonly used commands in your Excel workbook, such as the save, the undo, the redo, which we are going to look at in our subsequent videos to come. And the quick access toolbar can be customized. Yes, it can be customized as well. Now let's look at our tabs. So with our tabs, we say that we have the home tab, we have the insert tab, we have the page layout tab, we have the formula tab, we have the data tab, we have the review tab, and we have the view tab. Yes, now with these, as you can see, anytime I select anyone I select, it pops up or it displays a new set of commands or ribbons. Yes, so what I say is that it houses the ribbons. It houses the ribbons. Yes, so that is the use of the tab list. Yes, so we can move on to the next feature, which is the ribbon. With the ribbon, it is the main location for all your Excel commands. Yes, all your Excel commands can be found in the ribbon. All your Excel commands can be found in the ribbon. With time, we are going to know how the commands work. Yes, what they are used for and everything. We are going to look at all that, and I promise you are never going to regret sticking to this channel, because you are going to be really educated and informed. So let's look at the next feature, which is the name box. Yes, the name box. With the name box, it displays the name of the active cell. It displays the name of the active cell. So with this is how it works. The active cell here is cell A1. Now this means that a cell is named with a column, alphabet, and a row number. That is how a cell is named. So cell A1, we can have cell D7, we can have cell B8. That is how the cell is named. And all this is possible because of the name box. Yes, that is why we are able, or that is what displays the name of the active cell. Let's look at the formula bar. So with the formula bar, this is where you can enter your formula. Yes, you can enter your formula at this area. The next thing we look at is the status bar. Is the status bar. Now with the status bar, it displays various messages as well as the status of the numlock and the caps lock. Yes, you might be confused, yes, but this is what it does. So let's look at something right now. I am going to press my caps lock and let's see what happens. The status bar is going to show the status of my caps lock, whether it is on or off. So let's look at it. Now my caps lock is turned on. Yes, my caps lock is turned on. I can also turn on my numlock and it will show on the status bar. So what can you say about this? What you can say about this is that when your caps lock is on, you will be notified by the status bar. So the moment you check your status bar and you realize your caps lock is on, you just turn it off. Maybe you don't need it, you don't want to use it, you can just turn it off. Yes, you don't want to make use of your num lock, you can just turn it off. Now let's look at something. There is something here, edit. Sometimes it can be enter, it can be ready. It just depends on what this also shows the status of your cell. So your cell is ready. Your cell is ready to be edited. It is ready to receive data input. Yes, this shows the status, just as the name goes, the status. So it displays messages about the status of your numlock and other important parts of your workbook. Don't forget, it can also be customized. Yes, it can also be customized. We are going to look at all that with time. I'm going to make videos on customizing the ribbon, customizing the quick access bar, customizing the status bar. Yes, we're going to learn a whole lot. So I want to advise you to just smash the bell notification icon so that anytime a video is posted on this page, you'll be notified and you just check it out quickly, because a whole lot of information will be coming through. A whole lot, like information will be answered, and information will Excel and information will Yeps line. Yes, information will Yeps line. So don't just miss it. Don't miss it. Always be checking our videos out, and you can always learn from it. Yes, so let's look at the next feature. The next feature is the scroll bars. We have the vertical scroll bar and the horizontal scroll bar. So now with the scroll bar in general, what it does is that it helps you to display the hidden parts of your worksheet. Yes, the hidden part of your worksheet can be displayed when you make use of the scroll bar. So therefore, with the vertical scroll bar, you can scroll through your worksheet vertically, that is from top to down, and vice versa. And with your horizontal scroll bar as well, you can scroll through your worksheet from left to right and vice versa. The next thing you're going to look at is the page view button. So with the page view button, this changes the way the worksheet is displayed. Yes, so this is the page view button, and with this area, or with this button, we have the normal view, we have the page layout, and we have the page break preview. We are going to look at all these in our subsequent videos to come, so you don't have to worry at all. The last thing I want us to look at is the zoom control button. Yes, the zoom control button. Now with this, it helps you to zoom in and out of your worksheet. It helps you to zoom in and out of your worksheet. So with this, you can just go zoom out and zoom in, and zoom out. Yes. So if this video was useful to you, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to smash the bell notification icon to be notified anytime this type of video is posted on this page. My name is Yaboa Edwin, and this was Yeps Line on Yenny's Tech World. I'm out.